Hey guys, so it's about 9:36 in digital, so 6 minutes after 9:30, and today I'll be doing my morning routine. I think I've already done this, but it's a Saturday and the car boot is on. I've already ate my breakfast, so yeah, let's go. Let me just pause the video whilst I get dressed. Oh, and by the way, I forgot to say that what I will be wearing is this t-shirt, and it is from YD, and then these jeggings. So yeah, let me pause the video again. So now I'm dressed, I just need to pick out my cardigan for the day, so I'll be right back. So guys, I've done my cardigan. I think this is the Newcastle colours. I'm not quite sure, but I'm not bothered. Just have to pull my leg stuff down because it's right up at the knee and supposed to be at the ankle. So then I will take my bed, do my bed. So I'll see you once I've done that. So I have made my bed, and now it's time to go into the loo. So now it is time to do my hair. I'm doing it whilst I'm in here. And then let's just brush it. So, I've done that. Let's do my teeth. Not teeth, if you have heard of doing a dentist. It's teeth. So, can you guys guess which brand I use? Oral-B or Colgate? If you guessed Colgate, you're correct. Let's get my toothbrush. Put in my water. Let's put my Colgate away and let's brush. So, it's now stopped. Let's rinse. Freezing cold water. Now I'm gonna do my face, so now I am done. So yeah. Hi. I'm off back downstairs. So I will just pause while I go downstairs. So now I am downstairs and I have got my squishies here. So, this is my squishy collection. I do this pretend video every morning, and yeah, so this will be in my gallery, but it's privated, so, because it's cringy. So, the first one is my panda. And I also do pet peeves with them. And pet peeve number 1 is when they squish it like this. So that's that one. Here's a panda. It's a keyring. These were about $2. And then I also have this one. This was also $2 too. And it's got blue on because my little brother came around and he coloured on it. And yeah, so pet peeve number 2 is when they just dangle it. When they show it for the rest of the camera on it. So guys, here's my squishy. 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. So that was the second one. And then this one is when it takes longer than about 5 seconds to rise. I don't know if this will take more than 5, but yeah, let's go. 6, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. So that one's that. And then I have Lola Squishy, it's pig. And there was only 2 pet peeves because I don't know anymore. Because I'm not a squishy watcher. And then we have this tiny bed. Fast rise. And then we have a narwhal. Pet peeve number 3 is when they don't take their hands off whilst it's rising. I'm in love with your Coco. I was just being cringy there. And then we have this gigantic unicorn. On. I know it's getting ripped, but yeah, don't rip the head off. Because it has chemicals inside it. Found that out on Facebook. Follow my nan on Facebook. Denise Close, new, and it's a picture of me. Oh, gonna sneeze. Can we have a fast rise unicorn? Just like that. And then I'm obsessed with unicorns. I have this. 2. And yeah, so here's 5 facts about me. Number 1 is my favourite author is Liz Python. I think it's Liz anyway. Yeah. And she writes these books, Tom Gates. Number 2 is I will be a year 4 coming up in September. So if you're watching this in September, I will already be in year 4, probably in the holidays. Depends on which date you were watching this on. And then number 3 is I have another YouTube channel. It's The Official Alicia. Number 4 is my favourite colour is rose gold. Number 5 is my favourite drink is Diet Coke because it doesn't have sugar in. And why have I just pulled that face? And yeah, so when I went like that, it was a bit weird. It was a bit weird. Weird warning. Weird warning. That's what Lola does. Because we watch spellings in year 3 and he is a girl. And she loves weird warning. Weird warning. www. Weird warning. So that is, give you 5 seconds. 1 second, 2 seconds, 3, 4, 5. Alliteration. You guessed it. And so yeah, that is the video. Please like to me. Like, subscribe and comment down below. Bye. Weird warning. Ha! Bye. You are watching Alicia's videos. Please like, subscribe, and comment. Don't forget to turn on the notifications so you don't miss a video of mine. Yes, that was my real singing. See ya guys. Bye.